turn my sister's alarm off. Ah, my perfect pretties. Oh no, fell asleep in sister's room again. Well, sister's clothing room. One more minute. Nope. One more minute will make us just get our butt kicked. Next time, let's not play Pretty Princesses again. You're the one who chose to play it. Mom's not even home yet. She went to go get the groceries. Nothing here, huh? Sister's gonna kill us. As long as you didn't make a mess. Can we go to Sister's room? Sister's gonna really be mad. She won't be mad, man. She's not the crazy one like older sisters. Fine. Let's check out what she has in her room then. Yay. How are you here already? Me? Put this phone down. Sorry about my phone. Leave it on your mom's couch. I'll take it up before she actually comes home. Anyway, I came like around 4 a.m. Your mom left around that time. It is 7 a.m. Yeah. But I have to go. Let me get my phone. But I just want to say good morning before anybody else does. Okay. Good morning, I guess. Hey! What are you guys doing in my room? We are just looking at stuff. Nice bag. Nice bed. We're out. She doesn't have just a bed. She has a cute little stuffy. And you keep sleeping in sister's clothes room. What can we say? The clothes make you warm. Especially when you play Pretty Princesses. And brother had to become a princess. And you become a prince. Yeah, torture him that way. I'll go downstairs. Hey, what happened? Not much. You just missed them in their Pretty Princess room. Pretty Princesses again! Ow! So angry. You guys are playing Pretty Princesses again? What can I say? I look good in a prince outfit. I look good in a girl outfit, I guess. You know what? You should start acting to be the prince next time if you really want to play with me. What can I say? Makeup looks good on me. Sure it does. Anyway, I'm going to go to the table with sis. You are going to be taking the punishment. I wasn't the one putting on your makeup. She was. Yeah, you have some eyeliner on your face. Ow, ow, ow. Now stay there. I hate this. I could have went with mom, and now I'm here. Sis, can you please make pancakes? Amazing. She's making pancakes. Oh, I'm super close to the oven. Put the pancake batter in. Actually, wait. Okay, so I got the pancake batter ready. So we got to put the pancake batter into the thing. Put in the cupcakes. And we're good. Okay. Mom hides this. Is that a pie? Ew, it's pumpkin. Yeah, Mom's the healthy sort of person. Oh, the pancakes are ready. Mom should be here in a minute now. Kids, I'm home. No response. Mom! There's the response. Kids, I'm home. And Jake, I'm pretty sure you want to play on my phone. Yes, how did you know? It's something you always do. Anyway, I got groceries, so let's see. So here's my phone, Jake. You gotta go play on my couch. Okay? Okay, Mom. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. So this will just go in the back. The rest of this is going in the back, I guess. Oh, you made pancakes. Perfect. Let's go put this away in the back. And we're all good. Yeah, we've eaten enough. So how was the shopping? Sorry, I had to go somewhere. Yes, you should have wanted to do the shopping. Excuse me, I only give you things, not go get things. I'm not a dog. Actually, you are a dog working for cats. I'm not a dog who goes play fetch. Okay. I'll be in my room if you need me. Well, since this is in a room, I'm gonna go too. Leave me alone. No. Oh well. I hired a maid. Hey brother, I just wanted to check up on, hey sister, I wanted to go check up on you. Hi brother. Everything is working so well. Yeah, I got fired. You what? I got fired. And what do you want me to do? Can you please hire me? I already got a maid. Mrs. Cator. I wonder when the maid is coming. Huh? I'm here. I'm the maid. Maid's at your service. I only ordered one. You can stay, but what in the world? Mrs. Cator? Mrs. Cator. Yes, who are you? I am a brother of the maid you have. Okay. Ugh, flighter jets. Mom, I dropped your phone. Better not be broken. And if it was, well, you're grounded for a week, no phone. There's just like one little incy crack, so grounded for like it's just like 2 days. Starting tomorrow. What do you want? So I'm the brother of the maid you have. Okay, you said that already. Oh yes, I did. I forgot. So I was wondering if you could hire me as a butler for the butler. I'll hire you as a watch guard. Just go by the door and just like watch the cameras or something. Okay, to the attic. Okay, now what do you want? So I hired a maid. Oh, perfect. Now we can do twice the work. Yes. And then, yeah, this happened. Why are there 2 of them? It just said one. You, the one that looks like a husky. Yes, ma'am, I am. Charissa, whatever. Follow me. You can take her. Follow me, Trissa. So I will be fired. Wait for her to come back. So, Charissa, are you good with kids? I'm perfectly good. Amazing, but your work is not going to be with kids. Why would you ask that then? So, I have 2 kids. Here, they like to play. Oh, perfect. And they play Pretty Princesses. Okay, nothing wrong there. Okay. And, yeah, I want you to help my daughter up there, Leslie. She is like a fashion diva. And, yeah, that's all. Just take care of the kids, fashion diva. Aren't you the mother? Shouldn't you be taking care of a kid? Oh, you're going to be taking care of 1 kid. The most annoying. Okay. Yeah, her. What about the guy who's playing with your phone? Oh, don't worry. I'll be taking care of him for a month. You're grounded for 2 years. What? If you broke that for like a lot of cracks, you would have been grounded forever. Okay. 2 years it is. Hello. No, she had another child. Oh no. I'm not her child. I am somebody to take care of this little diva. I heard that, right? Right. I heard that, right? Yeah, I'm taking care of her. Oh, leave my room right now. Heaven. I follow you. So what about me? Follow me. You will be a normal maid and just clean up stuff. Then why do you have a butler? Oh, he just walks around. We summon him all the time to annoy him. Yeah, just that. You're gonna be cleaning up, maybe being friends with people. Yeah. That's all. Okay. Miss. Oh, why can't anybody leave me alone? What? I have a question. What is the question? Is she going to be cleaning? Yes. Perfect. Whatever. Mom. I might be grounded for 3 years. Maybe 4. What did you do? I kind of just stepped on it and I just kind of sat on it and then it dropped, as you can clearly see. It dropped twice. Oh, you're gonna fine. I'll make it 2 years because you're so gosh darn annoying. Please 2 months, please, please. No, just stop it. No, let me finish. Ease. Fine. Can I keep the blue on your phone? No. Got it for 2 months, no phone time. Take my phone. Get off my chair. Where am I supposed to go? Go to your friend's house or something. Peace and quiet. What are you doing? Well, he's leaving. You don't need to take care of every child. Ugh. Please, Barry, just don't leave. Fine, I won't leave. I'll be on the swing, thinking about what my next thing to get in trouble will be. Please be very careful. Me. Ow. Be quiet. Mom, he told me to be quiet. Be quiet. Where's that girl supposed to be taking care of me anyway? Oh, my pretty are glamored, full of glitter. Are you ready for your makeup session yet? No, please. I didn't even call. Give me a pizza. Buy your own things. Another one. Can you please help me? What did I tell you? You told me to be careful. And I was. And I still fell off. Ow. Where are you going? I control you anyway. Where are you going? Be a doorman or something. Can you please take me to where you're going? I'm going out with my friends. Okay? And I don't need another person leeching on me trying to be cool. Okay? Don't give me sass. Girl, come on. Let's go. Dilly dally here. I'm going. Who is that? Oh, me? Yes, you, the only person who's actually here. Ow. Ow. Don't hit my door like that again. Oh, I'm Amber. I'm Winter. Can she tag along? She is my maid. I can still tag along. Yeah, aren't you like able to control what she's doing or something? Fine. You can join us. Don't even try stealing my friends from me. First you steal my brothers and sisters. And my routines. And my allowance. Let's go. Is that a mutt? I'm joining you. You're friends with this mutt? Is that Summer? She ain't Summer. She's a Ruby. Are you Ruby from TikTok? I'm not hanging out with a mutt like you. Come on, let's go. Yeah, she's not hanging out with a mutt like you. But your friend wanted me to come. It's not like my best friend is going to want you to come. Hey, have you seen my bow? Yes. 1 second. I just gotta grab it. Yes, I've seen your bow. There you go. It just fell on me. Oh, amazing. Perfect. Thanks. Oh, who is that? You're my very best friend. Come on. I want this person to know. Come on, join us. Perfect. I get to join you. Why is she half as annoying as my sisters? Amber? I'm going out. Your daughter let me go with you. Amber, you're not going out at all. What I tell you, Amber, I don't control it. Hope you guys like this video. I cannot post part 2 to the video of the robbers. So I just had this in mind. Bye-bye. And for the comments of this video, I would like you to comment. 1 second. From these 5 people in the comments. So, if you want me to be Ruby, which is this person here, comment Ruby. Comment Ruby. If you want me to be Valentine, yes, I will have the bow on at all times. If you want me to be Valentine, comment Valentine. If you want me to be Winter, comment Winter. If you want me to be Ashley, comment Ashley. And no, Ashley will not have this on. And if you want me to be Trisha, I'll be Trisha. Sometimes Trisha will be a boy, but when I'm acting her, she'll be a girl. And last but definitely least, Amber. If you want me to be Amber, I can be Amber. If you want more choices, comment more choices. Because these are the only LPS that I had in mind right now. So, sorry, I'm acting Winter. But yeah, the LPS I had in mind. And I know this is a funny one. Well, it's not funny, but if you want me to continue not continue, but if you want me to be somebody else, let's say Ash. So Ash is the next person added. For now, I will be Ash until I see who has the most comments. So remember, Ruby, what is this again? Oh yeah, Trisha, Ashley, Valentine, or Amber. And then there's Winter. So comment who you want me to be. For right now, I will be this girl right here. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, my little weekenders.